It's a great journey, I must say. Starting with, it's a great journey with MVP Studio. Um, though I'm coming up with 4 years of experience in testing field, but still there was some improvement, and which uh, that improvement, like while getting the um, lectures and the lessons from the industry connect, that those lectures and lessons helped me, like Kumar and the other tutor. They helped me a lot, explaining to me things which were very kind of at that sometimes like deprecated in mind, and sometimes like not very open to respond to if I'm question like. So those lectures that was the startup of my journey. So those lectures were very helpful, and at the time what I gained from those lectures are was a very good startup while doing the these tasks, MVP tasks. So it was a new journey, and it helped me a lot to indulge more into the automation stuff. Because why I am saying automation stuff is because I am having a good deal of experience on, like 4 years of experience on handling web applications and the mobile applications. So I was the face of the project while dealing with the client. So the client was from UK, and I was back in my country. At the time I was knowing what I'm doing and how to deal with the clients. But as for automation stuff, it was very, very brilliant what I received from MVP Studio and from Industry Connect. The lectures were very awesome, and this time also I am whenever I get a chance or whenever I get stuck, I go back to the lectures, and I see how to solve my problem. Still I go back to my lectures and see in advanced task I was getting very annoyed because Excel data reader was not helping me at all. I was trying how to get rid of. I followed the same steps what my tutor Kumar has told me, and I followed the same steps step by step, but it did not help me. That actually not the very case to solve the problem. So I got the platform from which I can get into the depth of research and development, and I can get the solution of what I am facing as of now at the time. So I dig into the matter and got the solution. So I applied that solution in my advanced task, and I was through. So whatever I must say, if I'm asked to what do you think of Industry Connect and MVP Studio, without any hesitation and without any blinking of an eye, I would suggest that what are you waiting for, buddy? You must go back to you must go back and join MVP Industry Connect and join MVP Studio, no matter what. If you are a student, 20 hours working, so give up that job. Get indulged into the tasks of Industry Connect and MVP Studio, and you will see yourself making your career from a startup, like in a 6 months like me. So you and me are on the same page. If I'm asked, you and me are on the same page, because my previous experience is not helping me at all as of now. The current experience what I am receiving is helping me a lot. It's actually building my confidence, is actually building my career from this from this point. So give up whatever you are doing, invest yourself in Industry Connect, and then show wonders to the MVP Studio, because it's not like only taking up the task and completing them. There is a whole bunch of lot of sessions around there. So we know how to tackle the situations in terms of resume writing, in terms of dealing with the people, in terms of English, in terms of chit chat session. So all these guys like Railu, he was coming up also with some wonderful things, like we have made these things, we are into this project, and I'm doing these things. So everybody has given everything whatever they have. So all these things came up to me like a solution, and I just need to step up and opt that solution and apply it into my career. So it was not like tutors have done one thing and I have to do it all by myself. There were all the things I need to invest myself just, and then see the return in the days to come. So this is what I would recommend and suggest to everyone who is aspiring a career in the IT field.